In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace site mobile friendly. In this digital age, having a website that's easily navigable and looks great on mobile devices is not just an option, it's a necessity. With more people than ever browsing the web on their smartphones, you'll want to ensure your Squarespace site is up to par. So, let's dive right in and make your website not just good, but great on every device. First things first, you need to head over to the Squarespace website. It's where every tweak and customization to your site will start. On their homepage, you'll find the Login option. Click on it to proceed. Logging in might seem trivial, but it's the gateway to making all the significant changes to your site. After clicking Login, Squarespace offers various options to authenticate yourself and access your account. For ease and simplicity, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to bypass remembering another password and streamlines the login process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Once you select to continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts. Click on the account associated with your Squarespace site. It's crucial to select the correct account to avoid any login issues and to ensure you're making changes to the right website. After successfully logging in, you'll need to access your website's backend where all the magic happens. You can navigate to your website by clicking on the direct link provided. On Squarespace, each site has its unique dashboard where you can edit everything from the design to individual page settings. Now the fun part begins. To ensure your site looks impeccable on mobile devices, Squarespace offers a mobile view option. You'll find this option at the top right corner of your site's dashboard. Clicking on this will shift the view from desktop to mobile, showing you exactly how your site appears to a visitor on a mobile device. Switching to mobile view is more than just a visual change. It allows you to understand how your site's elements stack, rearrange, or resize based on screen size. This view is invaluable for spotting any issues that might not be obvious in the desktop view. You might find that some text is too small, buttons are too close together, or images don't scale correctly. Identifying these issues is the first step to making your site truly mobile friendly. Remember, the goal here is not just about making your site work on mobile, but making it a seamless, enjoyable experience for mobile users. That might mean making some design sacrifices or changes from your desktop layout, but the payoff in user satisfaction and increased mobile traffic is well worth it. Throughout this process, never hesitate to experiment and preview your changes. Squarespace's mobile view is an incredibly useful tool that simulates how your site behaves on mobile devices in real time, offering you instant feedback on any adjustments you make. In sum, by following these steps, logging in, accessing your site, and utilizing the mobile view, you're well on your way to optimizing your Squarespace website for mobile devices. Remember, the key to a mobile-friendly site is not just about making it functional, but ensuring it provides a fantastic user experience regardless of the device. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital presence. Your website is the digital face of your brand, and ensuring it shines on all devices is critical in this mobile-first world. Happy designing!